Have you ever wondered if you could hop into a machine, travel through time, and alter the course of your life? The idea is tantalizing, isn't it? A concept that has been deeply embedded within the realms of our imagination, and a theme that has been recurrently explored in popular culture, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the Back to the Future series, time travel. The term itself conjures up images of fantastical voyages and dramatic shifts in the landscape of history. It's the ability to leap across the boundaries of years, to revisit the past, or to dive into the mysteries of the future. It's a concept that has sparked the curiosity of many, from the most brilliant scientific minds to the everyday dreamer. The allure of time travel is undeniable. Who wouldn't want the power to correct past mistakes, to witness historical events firsthand, or to gain insight into what the future holds? It's the ultimate form of control, the ability to shape our own destiny and rewrite the narrative of our lives. But beyond the realm of fiction and imagination, time travel holds profound implications. It challenges our understanding of the universe, of the laws of physics, and of reality itself. It forces us to question the fundamental nature of time and our place within it. It's not just about changing the past or predicting the future. It's about exploring the very fabric of existence, of understanding how the universe works, and discovering the true nature of reality. But time travel is not just a product of Hollywood or the wild imaginations of science fiction writers. It has been a subject of fascination for centuries, a concept that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and dreamers alike. From ancient mythologies to modern theories of relativity and quantum mechanics, the idea of traveling through time has been a constant thread in the tapestry of human thought. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey through the enigma of time travel, exploring its origins, its theories, and its paradoxes. It's a ride that's sure to challenge your perceptions and spark your curiosity. After all, time travel is not just a product of Hollywood. It has been a subject of fascination for centuries. The idea of time travel was not born in a science fiction novel, but in the mind of a brilliant physicist. This physicist was none other than Albert Einstein. The inception of the time travel concept was deeply rooted in his groundbreaking theory of relativity, which forever transformed our understanding of the universe. Einstein's theory of relativity, published in the early 20th century, fundamentally changed the way we perceive time and space. It postulated that space and time are not separate entities, as previously thought, but are interwoven into a single continuum known as space-time. What's more captivating is that this space-time is not flat, but can be curved by mass and energy. This suggested that the fabric of space-time could be bent, twisted, and even folded back on itself. Now, this is where the concept of time travel starts to take shape. If space-time can be distorted, then theoretically, it could be manipulated to create shortcuts or wormholes from one point in time to another. Imagine being able to leapfrog across years or even centuries, much like hopping from one lily pad to another, bypassing the conventional flow of time. That's the essence of time travel. However, Einstein's theory doesn't make time travel an easy task. To create such a wormhole, one would need an enormous amount of energy, far beyond what we currently have at our disposal. And even if we could create one, there's the question of stability. Would the wormhole collapse the moment something tries to pass through it? These are the questions that have both intrigued and frustrated scientists for over a century. Despite these challenges, Einstein's theory of relativity has opened the door to the very possibility of time travel. It has sparked countless scientific explorations, philosophical debates, and of course, inspired a multitude of science fiction stories. Einstein's theory of relativity laid the groundwork for our understanding of time and space, and thus, the concept of time travel. So, while we may not be packing our bags for a trip to the Renaissance or the distant future just yet, the idea of time travel is not as far-fetched as it once seemed. As time passed, the concept of time travel continued to evolve and capture the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Our journey into the realm of time travel theories begins in the early 20th century a time when Albert Einstein was reshaping our understanding of the universe with his groundbreaking theory of relativity. Einstein proposed that time and space are intertwined in a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. This idea led to the concept of a wormhole, a theoretical passage through space-time that could potentially provide a shortcut between different points in time. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and we encounter the concept of rotating black holes. Theoretical physicist Roy Kerr proposed the existence of these spinning celestial bodies, which could theoretically act as gateways to other times or even parallel universes. Unlike their non-rotating counterparts, these black holes wouldn't crush you into a singularity, but instead could fling you out into another time or place. As the centuries rolled on, our understanding of the universe continued to expand. In the late 20th century, cosmic strings entered the stage. These hypothetical one-dimensional defects in space-time, thinner than an atom but potentially light-years long, might allow for time travel if two such strings were to approach each other at high speeds. Entering the 21st century, physicist Ronald Mallet proposed a theory of time travel using circulating light beams. He suggested that a sufficiently strong gravitational field could be created by a circulating beam of light, which could then twist time into a loop, allowing for travel into the past. And who could forget the quantum realm? Quantum mechanics, with its particles that can be in two places at once, offers another potential avenue for time travel. Some scientists propose that quantum entanglement could potentially be used to send information back in time. Yet, despite these fascinating theories, none have been conclusively proven. Each comes with its own set of challenges and paradoxes. For instance, wormholes, if they exist, are likely to be microscopic and unstable. Rotating black holes remain theoretical, and we've yet to discover cosmic strings. Mallet's concept, while intriguing, would require an unfeasibly large amount of energy. And as for quantum time travel, well, quantum mechanics itself remains a mystery in many ways. Moreover, these theories often lead to paradoxes that challenge our understanding of reality. What would happen if you traveled back in time and changed something? Would it create a new timeline, or would it cause a paradox that could unravel the fabric of space-time itself? These are questions that continue to puzzle scientists and fuel ongoing debates and research in the scientific community. While these theories are fascinating, none have been proven, leaving time travel a tantalizing mystery. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, stories of time travel incidents have intrigued people for decades. Let's delve into some of the most captivating tales. First on our list is the curious case of John Titor. In the year 2000, a person going by this name appeared on internet forums, claiming to be a time traveler from the year 2036. He shared detailed descriptions of his time machine and made several predictions about future events. While his prophecies failed to materialize, the mystery of John Titor continues to fascinate. Then we have the infamous Philadelphia experiment. This tale tells of a supposed military experiment in 1943, where the US Navy allegedly made the USS Eldridge, a naval destroyer escort, entirely invisible, and even teleported it from Philadelphia to Norfolk, Virginia. Though widely regarded as a hoax, it's a story that keeps the dream of time travel alive in popular culture. Now let's touch on the paradoxes associated with time travel. The grandfather paradox is a classic example. Imagine if you traveled back in time and accidentally caused the death of your grandfather before your parent was born. This would prevent your birth, making it impossible for you to have traveled back in time in the first place. Quite a conundrum, isn't it? Then there's the bootstrap paradox, another mind bender. Suppose you're a scientist who invents a groundbreaking device based on a blueprint you received from your future self. But who originally created the blueprint? It seems to exist without an origin point, hence the term bootstrap, a reference to the phrase pulling yourself up by your bootstraps. These incidents and paradoxes add another layer of intrigue to the enigma of time travel. So, after all this, we come back to our initial question: is time travel possible? We've journeyed through the enigma of time travel, traced its conceptual birth, and explored theories and incidents that have shaped our understanding of this captivating idea, we've grappled with paradoxes that defy our very understanding of reality. But does this mean time travel is within our grasp? Scientists today maintain a cautious stance. Some theories, particularly those rooted in the realm of quantum mechanics and the theory of relativity, suggest that time travel could be theoretically possible. But there is a wide chasm between theory and practical realization. The immense energy requirements, the potential for paradoxes, and our limited understanding of the nature of time itself pose significant challenges. While the idea of time travel continues to captivate us, its reality remains a question for the future. For now, we can only dream and speculate.